Namaste student. Here today we are going to see two topics, that is multiplication on integer and division on integer. Here we have four rules we are going to see, and both rules are same for multiplication and division. So here what you can see that plus into plus will give you plus and minus into minus will give you plus. Symbol change, okay? And here if plus into minus would be there, you will get minus, and minus into plus will be there, minus. Similarly here plus divide plus will give you plus, plus divide minus will give you minus, and minus divide plus will give you minus, and minus divide minus will give you plus. In short, if even number of same symbol would be there, it will be same. Like if your minus repeat 2 times, then it will be plus. If minus repeat 3 times, then it will be your minus. If minus repeat 4 times, that is even number, then it is 4, not 4, that means even number, that means plus. Like let's first understand about this statement, and then we'll enter into our general statement. Okay, so what you can see that minus into minus, what does it mean? That means if you take two positive integer, then your result will be positive integer. For example, we'll go for like a 3 into 5. So you can say that 3 is a positive and 5 is also positive. And if you multiply here, you will get 3 5 to 15, and the symbol will remain same, which we have already done in a junior class, this one. Now if your symbol is minus 3 into 5, result you will get 15, but here you can see that this is your negative, here negative, and there's a plus. What result you are getting? Negative. So we'll take here minus. Okay, now if we'll take here 3 into minus, like that, so what you can see that minus into plus, yeah, that means plus into minus, what you are getting? Minus. So your result will be minus 15. And for this one, minus 3 into minus 5 equals to what we'll get? Plus 15. Here minus into minus will give you plus. So here minus 3 into minus 5 will give you plus 15. Okay, and one more thing, do not write like this, 3 into minus 5. Why, sir? Both symbols should not be close together like that. So in this case, what we're going to do, we'll take first bracket. Okay, so on the for first one, sir, as nothing is there, so no need to take. If you want to take, you can take, no problem in that case. We'll get the same thing, 15 only. Now here, okay, we'll go for another problem like 4 into 7. If we'll go like this, 4 into minus 7, minus 4 into 7, and minus 4 into minus 7. So what we're going to get, in all cases we are getting 28, 28, 28, 28. Why? 4 7 are 28. After that, just see here, both symbols are positive, we'll get positive. So for positive, we will not write plus, no problem. Here 1 minus 1 plus, we'll get minus. 1 minus 1 plus, we'll get minus. Both are negative, that means plus. So same rule will apply here for division. What? Like we will take here 4 and it will divide by 2, we'll get here 2. If we'll get minus 4 divided by 2, we'll get minus 2. If we'll take 4 divided by minus 2, we'll get minus 2. And if we'll take minus 4 divided by minus 2, you will get positive 2. Like if I'll take if I'll take another number like 4 divide 3, so what we can write here? 4 by 3. If I'll take here minus 4 divide by 3, we'll get minus 4 by 3. If we'll get 4 divide minus 3, we'll get 4 by minus 3, which will get you minus 4 by 3. Now here, minus from denominator to numerator, we'll see this rule, okay? And then minus 4 divide minus 3, we'll get minus minus cancel, here we'll get 4 by 3. So let's see that how could this rule become this? Why minus 3 at denominator will become minus 4 by 3? Okay, so what we're going to do, as minus we do not keep at the denominator place, it is not non-standard, we said it's not a standard. If you keep your answer like this, 4 by minus 3 also, it will remain same, no problem. But here we'll keep our answer in a standard form. So how are you going to get? So here 4 by minus 3, what we're going to do, we'll multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1 to make it standard. Now minus 1 into plus 4 will give you minus 4. Why? Negative into positive will give negative. By negative into negative will give you positive. This law, minus into minus will give you plus. So here we'll get 3. So this intermediate step, sometimes we don't have to show, but sometimes we need to show. But right now you are in class 6, you need to show this step. But for higher class you don't have to show. Directly you can write here 4 by minus 3 equals to minus 4 by 3. This you can write. Okay, now we're going to see a general rule. So what general rule we're going to see? Like if we'll take minus, like minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So how many times minus repeat? 3 times. That means odd number. That means what we can do, we can take here, first you multiply here 2 into 2 into 4, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, and minus repeat odd number times. That means you can take here minus. How so? Okay, let's see. We'll see the process. Here minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. We'll see the process. The process is that first 2 integer will take. So minus minus give you plus. 2 to 4 into minus 2. Now minus plus give you minus. 4 to 8. So we have not shown this step directly. We have written minus 8. Okay. Now if we'll take here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So what will be your result? Could you guess? Yes, correct. That is 1. Why? Because minus repeat how many times? Even number of times. That means 4. 4 is the even number. So how did you get this as 1? Let's see here. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus minus give you plus, minus minus give you plus, and plus plus will give you plus. So we'll not show this step. Directly we can write here. Here we're going to do some simplification. Let's see some simplification. Simplify. Problem will be given. Simplify from the exercise only. Minus 9 into 6 plus minus 9 into 4. How are you going to do? So you can use here suitable method, or directly you can multiply here. Okay, so we're going to use suitable and directly multiplication. Both method we're going to see here. So here you can see that minus 9 is common. So we'll take here minus 9 outside. There's a multiplication symbol, and 6 plus 4. Can you guess which rule? Yes, distributive rule. That is a into b plus c can be written as a into b plus a into c. That means this part has been given, so you can write like this. Okay, if we can write this as this, so we can write this as this also, no problem. So here now after that what we can see, 9 into 6 plus 4 will give you 10, and plus minus give you minus. 9 10 ja 90. This is one method. Now we can apply another way, or which one will, let's see here, like minus 90 into 6 plus minus 90 into 4. So here minus 9 plus 6, so plus minus give you minus. 9 6 ja 54 plus minus 9 into plus 4 will give you minus 36. And we know that addition rule, if both are negative, we'll take negative symbol and we'll add it here. So we can see that we'll get here 90. Look at the both result will give you 90 only. Take another problem. We can see the another problem here. We're going to see. Let's take page for another problem here. Simplify minus 36 into 72 plus minus 36 into 28. So if we multiply like this, it will be hectic for you. It will take lots of time. Okay, so what we can do, we can take minus 36 common. So if we take minus 36 common, you can see here there is a 72. Take it 72. There's a plus symbol right here, plus symbol. There's 28. Take it 28. Already you have taken minus 36 outside. That means this rule you have applied. It is already given a into b plus a into c. That means you are taking your a outside and keeping your b and c inside the bracket. This is your distributive law we are applying. Okay, now minus 36 into, if we'll add 72 plus 28, we'll get 100. And we know that how to multiply with this one. Very simple. Minus 36 and 20 will take like this. So we don't have to do any calculation like that. Orally we can do it. So use this concept. it will be easy for you. Now another problem would be there in the exercise, like find the product. It will be written as find the product. So product will be given, so question would be like this, like -2 into -3 into 4. This question will be given. So what we're going to do, first we'll multiply this two, minus minus will be plus, so 2 3 ja 6 into 4. So here we are getting what, 24. The question maybe give the same problem but in a different way, like this, -2 into 3 into -4. Then don't do like this, just you go first to, so -2 into 3, that is minus plus give you minus 2 3 ja 6 into -4. Okay, now minus repeat two times, that is minus minus give you plus, so plus 6 4 ja 24. If you want to write, you can write, otherwise you can leave it. You can see the both result will give same here, but the question pattern is different. Why? Because this is +4 and this is your -4, and this is +3 -3, this is your +3. Okay, now one problem would be given like this, like verify the following. Okay, distributive law would be given, verify the following. So how are you going to do, and what question would be given like this? If we'll take the problem, it will be 18 into minus not minus plus 9 plus -7, then you can use here another bracket equals to 18 into 9 plus 18 into -7. So what rule we are going to apply here? By simple rule we're going to see, that means we'll take here LHS, that means left hand side. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Okay, this is your right hand side, so we'll take left hand side first. So 18 into, here what you can see that, okay, first you write and then we'll do the operation. Right now leave it. Okay, first bracket part would be there, simplification rule, first bracket and then multiplication or addition, whatever will be there. So here inside part +9 -7. So here the rule is that if symbol are different, we'll subtract here. 9 minus 7 will give you 2, and then you check which is bigger. 9 is bigger, which symbol is there, plus, so we'll write here plus, or you can keep it. Now your answer is 36. 18 to 0. Okay, now this side RHS is equals to what, 18 into 9 plus 18 into -7. So what we can see here, so here 18 9 ja 162, and plus here you can see that plus symbol, we will put the plus symbol and then plus minus ka minus. So 18 7 ja 126. Now you can see one is negative symbol, one is positive, and we are doing here operation plus, that means we will subtract here, subtract it. So 162 minus 126 will give you 36. And now see which is bigger. Yes, this is bigger, which symbol is the plus, so don't need to write. You can see that both are same here, 36 and 36. So therefore we'll say that, therefore 18 into 9 plus -7 equals to 18 into 9 plus 18 into -7, and we'll write at the end verified. So these are the problem which are there in your exercise. Please go through the exercise problem and try to solve it, and if there will be there, please clear your doubt. Okay, thank you.